So today I'm doing something slightly different to my usual videos, and that is I'm bringing someone into the video, which I haven't done before. Oh, actually I have. But I haven't brought this person into the video before, and I'm bringing her in because this person has recently bought a designer handbag, her first ever designer handbag. You may or may not know that I'm not really into design handbags. Like, it's never been an interest of mine. But yeah, just out of interest, I wanted to get this person into my video to try and kind of persuade me.
Dun dun dun, handbag.
This is my mother,
Manda T.
Manda T. Go and check out her YouTube channel. Not that she bothers to upload to anymore.
I've done it for about 2 years. Here's the little beauty today that we're going to be talking about.
That she's going to persuade me.
Yes. I mean, who wouldn't love this? What sort of fool would not want a Mulberry small Bayswater? Hey?
When Mum first told me that she was considering buying a design handbag and she told me the price of it, I laughed in her face.
Yes.
The whole family were laughing.
Like how much?
She said, because Mum first said, oh, I'm considering buying this nice bag. Guess how much it is? And it was online. So I just thought, oh, okay, it's going to be a pricey handbag. Then if she wants me to guess how much it is, it's going to be pricey. £150? I said, and I thought, and I was thinking to myself, surely it's not going to be £150, is it? And then, yeah, then Mum was like, keep going up,
Keep going.
200.
Anyway, let's not go into that now.
Let's not go into that, but yeah, basically I kept going.
Let's not spoil the moment. Yeah. It's the small Bayswater with the college stripe. Can you see? So it's midnight blue, and it's got burgundy down the middle and 2 white stripes on the front. It's got the gold or brass hardware, and on the back it's got the college stripes on the back. Okay, and it's the new style, so it's got these little bits that stick out. First of all, I wasn't sure if I liked those, but actually, yeah, I do like them. You know, they're not massive wings, are they? Yeah. So it's either a grab bag or it comes with a detachable long hand that you can either have it over your shoulder or you can have it cross-body. Have to say, if you're quite tall, cross-body, it actually might be a little bit short on you, but that's the hand. I'm going to show you in a minute what it looks like on me if I stand up. Yeah. But I'm only about 5'1", 5'2" at the most. Yeah. So
5'1.5".
Yeah. So anyone taller, it's not going to hang quite as long on their body, maybe. Yeah. And I was in the middle of showing you that in the, what do you call that colour? Burgundy. Yeah. So it's got burgundy suede. Anyone who likes a Bayswater is going to, and knows about them, is going to kind of know what this bag is. But I think it looks different because it's obviously got the college stripe, so without that you'd probably recognise it more as the Bayswater style. Okay, I feel like it is a little bit old school. It's it's not actually a satchel, but I feel like it's a little bit of a retro style. Yeah, but you don't, do you? No. No, not really. I'm just going to show you now what it looks like crossbody. So, and actually that isn't on the longest, is it? Oh yeah, that's on the longest one. So that's on the longest one. So it just sort of comes up to my, sort of my hip, my bum really. Yeah. Okay, so you can have it like that. That's kind of a perfect height for me, but that's on the longest strap. So imagine if you're taller, it's not going to really probably feel quite right. Or you can have it on your shoulder. Which I often just grab it and put it on my shoulder while I'm kind of picking up other bits and pieces, you know, shopping or whatever. Or you can take the strap off, and then I think, you know, it makes you feel a little bit kind of smart if you want to hold it, or, you know, through the crook of your arm like that. And now you're going to have a little look at it, aren't you, and see if you see what it. Have a look. Pretend that's your bag, and have a good look at it and see if you would be happy with the quality. Can you see it's well made?
So yeah, because I bought the bag the other day, handbag, and in comparison,
What do you
think? Like it's a lot. This is a lot thicker. It's very
thick leather.
It's very nice and
it's
thick.
Soft. This is quite a structured bag.
Yeah.
Some of the bigger Bayswaters are a little bit more slouchy. But I'm hope what will happen is as I use it, it will get softer.
Yeah.
And that's what I like about one of the things I like about the Bayswater or Mulberry is that the more you use them, they kind of look better.
Yeah, I can feel that this will last for years and years and years.
Yeah, it's going to last me forever.
Yeah, it's going to last forever. Whereas the bag that I recently bought, you can feel that you'd have to be quite careful with it.
Yeah.
And really look after it and not be rough with it or anything. Not that you'd want to be rough with it.
Not that you want to be rough with it.
No, but it's just that you can just feel that it's not going to get damaged easily.
But I've already used the proper Mulberry, the cleaner, the gel, leather gel that they recommend to protect it. So I've actually completely polished that up, so it feels really nice, doesn't it, Jem?
Yeah, it does.
And you can probably smell the leather. Can you smell it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So hopefully it's kind of fairly waterproof now, so I don't have to worry about going out in the rain.
So what's your favourite thing about this bag then?
Oh, I think it makes me feel quite smart.
Yeah.
When I'm using it, which I don't always want to. I have to really like mood to feel smart.
Yeah.
So most of the time I like to feel smart, but sometimes I like to feel casual. So that's when I would use it crossbody, a bit more casual. Yeah. But I feel like this bag is a good size. It can be daytime and evening.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, and it can get quite a lot of stuff in. Now I've emptied it today so that we could show you, what the inside looks like. But if anyone's interested, we can do another little video where I show what I put in it, because I actually I put a liner in it because I want to keep it clean, and I have a handbag organiser, and also I go one step further, don't I? I don't put it on the floor. I bought this little hanging thing that you hang it from, and you can just put it hang it from the table. So if you're out in a cafe, I'm not going to put this bag on the floor because it doesn't have any feet. The large style Bayswater have 4 feet to protect that base. Well, when I was in the hairdressers, I thought there's no way I'm going to put this on the floor in case there was chemicals or something. So that's why I bought a little. It's only like a £2 or £3 little hanger thing on another selling site that I've got. And I've actually now bought 2 or 3 for friends. Those hangers, not the bag. The hanger. Yeah.
So if you're interested in buying a design handbag, then that might be useful for you to hear how she
and also
nice.
Tell me what you think, whether you like it or not, or whether you actually prefer the more traditional Bayswater without the polished stripes. I would be really interested to hear. I've actually kept the plastic protector on this brassware because I just feel like my nose it was going to scratch otherwise. So, and you don't even know that's got protector on, do you? That's just stuck on there. And I'm going to leave that on, and also on the postman's lock. This is called the postman's lock. That's got the protector on it as well, and it's so cute because it says Mulberry, England, which is the new style. They didn't used to emboss it like that. And they also don't have on this one. They used to have like a little lock hanging down there, but they don't. I quite like that actually. I have to say I was sort of thinking it would be nice to have that little lock there. Not that I'd ever use it, just that more for the fact that everyone knows. I knows it's Mulberry, but saying that I don't actually want to be showing off that Mulberry. I haven't actually told hardly anyone that I've actually got this bag, and so now anyone who watches this is not that I want it, because I just don't want to feel like I'm showing off really. And this is a big deal for me. So I just thought to myself, before I reach 60, I really would like to have a designer bag, and I've got one.
So my review on the bag, someone that isn't interested in design bags, my review is that I really like the condition of it. Like I can tell
the quality of it.
The quality. I mean, obviously, I can tell that this is a really good quality bag. And will last for years. So that's what I really like about it. It feels really nice and it looks really nice. But for me, I'd need to find a designer bag that was in my style. If they exist. It's in like a retro kind of style. So I'm just going to quickly show you up close.
So it's midnight blue with collie stripes.
And then I'll show you inside. That's a nice colour.
You can see that's the proper colour. The other bit looks a bit dark. It is all that colour inside, but you can't really see. It's got a pocket, it's got a zip pocket as well. Oh, that's a zip, So give us your opinions, high street or designer?
Okay.
That's all for now, I think, is it?
That's it.
Right.
So make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it.
Yeah.
And subscribe to my channel for more videos.
Yes.
And yeah, I'll see you in my next video.
Yeah. Bye.